level in the function chapter is creating a new function. Let's go ahead and read through some of the information before we get started. In the previous puzzle, you turned right only one time, so using 3 left turns was not a problem. But what if you need to turn right more than once? It would be more efficient to put all of those left turns and create a new function or command called turn right. Commands like turn right are actually functions that perform a body of work. You've already been using functions this entire time, every time you use a command. To define a function, we're going to enter a set of commands between our curly braces, or as you hear me call them, hamburger buns. And then inside of our curly braces, we'll put our directions that will fuel that function. So let's look down here. So we see something new. I see some purple text that says FUNC. This is an abbreviation for function. So my function name is turn right, and this has already been named for me. There will be levels where you can name your function, and there will be levels where it is named for you. Inside of my function, which I tapped and highlighted in blue, you can see that I have a spot where I'm going to add my directions or commands that will understand how to run this function. So if I command my character to turn right, my character really is going to turn left, turn left, turn left. You can see that I now have turn right in my keyboard. The only reason this is here is because I named a function turn right. As soon as we name a new function, it appears in my keyboard. We are not going to put turn right in the directions. Well, think about my character. This is a brand new function. My character doesn't know what it means to turn right. So I can't give the directions turn right for turn right. I need to have different directions listed inside of here. Now, if I hit run my code right now, you're going to notice that my character isn't going to move or do anything. That's because I just created a function. I did not, however, enter code for my character. So the functions will always be built at the top, and then we're going to code, more than likely using that function, beneath it. So now I can begin coding my character to move through the level. Remember, I'm not adding those lines of code in my function. I'm adding it in my coding box, and this will be directions for my character. So it looks like the first thing I need to do is move forward, and then I can turn left or right. Well, I don't really need to turn right in my opinion because this switch is already toggled on. And I think getting to this portal would launch me to the other portal, which is very close to the switch that's not turned on. So I'm going to go ahead and take a left. I would then move forward again and do my fancy turn right. So let's check this code out and make sure that it's working. Move forward, turn left, move forward, and turn right. So now I can move forward, turn right again, and then I believe I would be moving forward into the portal from there. Let's check my code. And now I'm over on the other side near the switch that I need to activate. So it looks like the first thing I'm going to need to do is turn right, move forward, turn left, and then I believe I would toggle that switch. I'm going to speed this up just a little bit and let's see if I completed this puzzle. Oh, I was so close. It looks like I forgot to add a move forward in there. So that'll happen, and that's why we like to hit run my code as often as possible, because we want to make sure we're getting it correct. So let's go ahead and press it one more time and see if I fixed the bug in my code. Fantastic. And I was able to complete this level, and I also created my very first function. See you guys on the next level.